We are doing these robust outdoor containers from Juniper Designs on MakerWorld. These are pretty cool containers. You can put you can 3D print a TPU seal so that they're waterproof, or you can buy a O-ring and use that instead just to make it waterproof. And you can do different lids. See, there's a lid that you can put on like a keyring. Quite funky. Really good designs from Juniper Designs on MakerWorld. There's a red one being done. And you'll see the finished containers in a second. If you like these time-lapse videos, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.